Hi, welcome. This video is about downloading and installing BoringPredictable or BoringPred. Once we have the installed package on our computer, I'm going to start Internet Information Services Administration. On the default website, deploy, import, browse. Next. What do we want to call this instance? BoringPredictable 10, maybe. Next. Done. Newly installed application. Browse in SSL. This is what you end up with before you have created the database. So we're gonna create the admin database. Admin database create done. Now we have a fresh empty database, so we need to register one user. I'm gonna call this one A, like that, and now we're in, and that's it.